Well, here we are in the Everglades. Well, I can imagine a hurricane just ripping through here, you know, during hurricane season, that is. Because it's all flat land. Look at this.
And it is going to cause us to get back into six. After six.
That was an awesome visitor center right there.
Yeah, it is.
And get over how flat it is. Okay, now we are at Biscayne National Park. We got here after the visitor center closed. But this is it. This is our first glimpse of the open ocean. That's Miami. Here we are at Biscayne National Park, and that's Miami off in the distance.
And that's the Gulf of Mexico.
No, it's not. That's the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh,
Gulf of Mexico's over by Tampa, St. Pete, and Naples.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why'd you say we can go through the Gulf?
Yeah.
It's a pelican.
Oh, look at the pelican. Yeah, I got one. We're giving the sky and you down here. Do I have the thing?
Oh, so it doesn't sail in the boat, it just goes right over?
Oh, no, I've never seen a this down point where I know of it.
Look, it's me at the ocean.
I was really here.
That's my husband.
Smell the salt.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Atlantic Ocean.
Mm-hmm. Cheese.
Cheese.
Moose moose.
Hmm.
This is it.
I wasn't really sure.
Oh no, he said he knew that.
I'll catch up to you, Cricket.
Nowhere.